today you're looking at a 2001 Hampton Grayton 1.5. This fan, I got it off the marketplace for about $30, and due to it being rare, I thought, why not just get it? I've always wanted one. I wanted to complete the Grayton versions, and I finally have the 2, the 1.5, and then the first gen. There is the rare, like super rare 1.2 version, which is basically just a can arm, or like just a regular spinner, like an Anycon Premier Deluxe or whatever. So yeah, this does have a honeycomb canopy, and it originally came, it was in terrible shape, like it was all beat up and everything, but I managed to get it up as good as possible. This fan is in my laundry room, and originally it was going to be installed here, but then it didn't fit, so I decided, why not, like, why ghetto it whenever I can just put it here? I just, like, kind of wire it a little bit. Yeah. It's a little bit noisy, but I think we can fix that with just by tightening the screws. But yeah. It is a really cool fan, and I want to keep it here for as long as possible, and it does have a little bit of a wobble. But yeah. It didn't come with the canopy, not the canopy, what's it called, the bracket, but otherwise it is 100% complete. So, yeah. It is actually really fast for what it is. It's starting to wobble a little bit. I think this is my favorite version out of all of them, because it just looks so strange, so unique. I mean, the Grayton 1 is also very unique. They're all unique, except the 1.5. They're all very strange and unseen before non-industrial spinners. But yeah. The blades were also very out of whack, but as you can see now, they're as good as I could get them. Surprisingly, it came with both of its chains, which is something you don't see at all. Yeah, it's like really fast actually. It's made by SMC, by the way, if I remember correct, or actually if I haven't said that yet, I'm going to say. On high, it barely wobbles, but it makes the chain wobble a little bit. You can see the blades are better. Close up the blade. Swing on. Focus. Right. Let's first. I plan to fix that hole later or someday. Sometime soon, I know that. But otherwise, it's gonna stay like this for now. Somehow it does blow air either way if it's going up just, which is very strange. I can't reach it. What am I talking about? I have to actually take it down and reinstall it because it's not installed properly. Oh, kind of, it just still is a little bit loose, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video about this 42-inch Hampton bigger than 1.5, and I am out.